COVID has definitely impacted our company. We had to shut down for quite a few months in the beginning. We have thankfully been able to start back in much smaller groups in a smaller capacity. As far as our employees, we have actually had to downsize quite a bit just because they had to have other jobs and I had to, cut back quite a bit because our tours inevitably had to cut back as well. But we're starting back up and getting back out there. Jordan, the owner and founder of Asheville Free Walking Tours. We are a tip-based walking tour of downtown. We like to partner with local businesses as well as give you some history, some local legends, maybe even some myths and mysteries about our beautiful city of Asheville. What most people don't know about Asheville is we used to be considered the land of healing air, which is why Mr. George Pack and his wife came here in the 1880s to be healed by the healing air when she had some problems with tuberculosis. So that's actually why we have Pack Square Park now, in honor of Mr. George Pack. So a lot of my guests, they come on my tour because they're just getting to Asheville and they want to know what Asheville has to offer. And a lot of people will say that at the end of the tour, they now know exactly what they want to do. They have their whole trip planned for them. I've showed them all of the best places to eat, drink, and play. They've gotten to see a lot of the local businesses at work, and they know a little bit of history about the city. So it's the perfect thing to do when you just want to know a little bit more about the city when you arrive. So one of the great things about having a business in Asheville is getting to partner with local businesses like the Underground Cafe and Cultivated Cocktails and Twin Leaf Brewing. Those are the kind of businesses that welcome all different kind of partnerships together. So we actually get to stop and do tastings at the donut shop and do some spirits tastings, and then my guests get to finish with a beer at one of the local breweries. So that has been a real pleasure working with them. Another cool thing about the tour, I have done tours like these all over the world myself as a guest, and I always remembered that at the end of the tour, my guide had said a lot of really amazing things, and I only remembered like 2 of them. So as a result, I'm going to give you a lot of tips and ideas about the best stuff to do, to eat, drink, so on and so forth during the tour. But at the end, I will also give you a map that has all the places that we went, as well as a list on Dig Local that will tell you every single thing that I recommended, so that you don't have to worry about taking notes or keeping everything in your mind for the end. So be sure to add us onto your list of things to do during COVID. It's the perfect way. You walk around town, get to know our city a little better. Also, bring your family and friends for the holidays or for any other time, because this is a great thing for locals alike. Every local I've ever had, I walked away learning new things about Asheville. So if you want to know more about us, you can find us on Dig Local, on our webpage, Facebook, Instagram. Also, you can call 828-419-0295, and I look forward to touring with you.